It is August 29th. Meteorologist Melissa Nordin for Chelsea this morning and helping you plan your day.
Melissa, we are getting ready for more rain today after yesterday's storms. Some areas still dealing with the effects this morning.
And we're tracking some of that heavy rain, Cheryl and Aisha, and just in the last 30 seconds, a brand new flash flood warning. Dawson, Fannin, Gilmer, Lumpkin counties until 11:30 this morning. Check out this photo. This was from Calhoun and Gordon County overnight. Andrew tweeted this out on Twitter. He said that right there along the downtown area, not far off the river, there's water on the roads, water in the apartment buildings as well. So flooding happening in Calhoun overnight. That's where rain estimates in Gordon County have been about 5 to 6 inches the last 24 hours. That new flash flood warning that came out, we have also seen some other spotty areas that have seen 4 to 6 inches of rain in the last 24 hours. And in the metro, it was yesterday evening when those storms blossomed, and it was heavy. Rain totals 3 to 5 inches in some spots. But that heavy rain this morning, here's that brand new flash flood warning that runs until 11:30. Most of the heavy widespread rains up in the far north Georgia mountains, but I am tracking some downpours on the north side of town, the northern side of the perimeter right there, over Doraville and over towards Sandy Springs, traveling up 400. But right now in Atlanta, after a really heavy downpour, we're catching a lull with just some light spotty shower action. For today, front on top of us, going to lead to more storms later on. Here's the forecast track hour by hour. This morning wave of showers and storms kind of calms down for us by 9 or 10 o'clock. We're going to catch a lull around lunchtime, but then look how the radar lights up again by mid this afternoon. Heavy rainfall possible again with more widespread rain for that evening commute. So I do think heavy rain could lead to ponding, standing water on the roadways.